Hi there, I'm Camilo Escobar, Jurida's founder at Law Academy and Artificial Intelligence for Lawyers and Legal Teams of lawyers. We teach them the legal foundations of artificial intelligence. Properly, we teach the foundations of law in relation to the elements of artificial intelligence, of AI. Today I'm going to explain the relationship between the law of reason, the law, and artificial intelligence. And the law of reason means the capability of human being, the capability of the human condition to make clarity, to obtain clarity, to make solutions, to detect problems and make solutions. So when we are talking about the law, when it comes to the law, we have to make sure that our understanding of law and the way to apply with what is defined in the law, the way to apply to what is defined in the law, the way to apply the legal must be, the way to apply to the elements that are defined in the law, understood as a whole, are based in the law of reason and properly in the legal diligence, in the capability of human being for solving problems, to solve problems. That's why it's not about persuading in a unlawful way, in an unlawful way, in a way that is opposite with respect to what is defined in the law, in a way that is not according to what is defined in the law, in a way with respect to its form of existence does not let the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist, but about the law of reason. That is, of course, a persuasion in some sense, because it's a contundent conclusion to solve a problem, and properly, it's a contundent solution that does not permit any objection directly. But, of course, even in that case, it's possible to perform that solution because there is the evolution, but there is no objection directly with respect to that solution. So it's not about the legally invalid persuasion, the unlawful persuasion, but about the clear, the contundent, the effective solution about a problem. So when it comes to artificial intelligence, it's about understanding what is defined in the law with clarity. It's about understanding the law, because it's only possible to understand the law when there is clarity about it. So it's about understanding the law, understanding what is defined in the law as a whole, understood as a whole, and it's about properly applying to what is defined in the law to the extent of the facts of each legal relationship that is related to an AI product, to an artificial intelligence product, to let the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist inside that legal relationship. So the legal relationship is any environment that is defined in the law and properly that is related to what is defined in the law. And in the sense is any environment in which there must exist the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties properly. That's why in a legal relationship, there must exist the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties, because it's an environment in which the compliance with the law must exist, because it's an environment that is related to what is defined in the law. So when there is the compliance with the law in a legal relationship, there is the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties in that legal relationship. So to be clear, when there is an AI product, when there is an artificial intelligence object, when there is an artificial intelligence in a legal relationship, and the legal relationship exists in a way that coincides with what is defined in the law, there is the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties in that legal relationship. And that means that there is the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties face to AI, face to the respective artificial intelligence product that is inside that relationship, that exists inside that relationship, that exists in that relationship, that exists in the relationship, in the legal relationship. So it's about making sure that each human being existing in each legal relationship related to an artificial intelligence product complies with the law to let the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist in a legally valid way. And properly to let the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties to exist phase two, artificial intelligence. So it's about the legally diligent human being, because the legally diligent human being is the human being that complies with the law, is the human being that is capable to understand and apply to what is defined in the law, tailored to the extent in which what is defined in the law applies phase to each human being, depending on the way in which each human being exists in each legal relationship related to, linked to an artificial intelligence product. Thanks so much for your attention, and I invite you to www.jurida.co to know what we do. Bye-bye. Take care.